Geological time test. What is the first geological feature of the Mesozoic era? Pangea, dinosaurs, earthquakes, Gondwanaland. What type of rock are fossils found in? Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, minerals. What is the correct order of eras starting with the oldest? Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Paleozoic, Paleozoic, Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. What era did humans arrive in? Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic. What era was life mostly in the ocean? Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Paleozoic. How old is the Earth? 4.6 million years old, 4.6 billion years old, 2.4 million years old, 2.3 billion years old. What era is 544 to 245 million years ago? Earliest vertebrates. Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Paleozoic. What era is 65 million years ago to present? Era of mammals and first humans. Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic. What era is 245 to 65 million years ago? Era of dinosaurs and first mammals. Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic. What are eras divided into? Months, days, periods, epochs. What era are we currently in? Mesozoic, Paleozoic, Cenozoic. What two methods are used for the dating of rocks and fossils? Absolute and resolute dating, carbon and water dating, carbon dating and absolute dating, relative and absolute dating. The time it takes for half of the isotope to decay to a daughter product is relative age, half age, fossil, law of superposition. Fossils of widely distributed organisms that live during only one short period are index fossils, leader fossils, superposition fossils, geologists. The law of superposition states the inside rock is younger than the outside rock, states that an undisturbed sequence of rock layers, the top layer is the oldest and the bottom layer is the youngest, states that an undisturbed sequence of rock layers, The top layer is the youngest and the bottom layer is the oldest. States that the inside rock is older than the outside rock. Which of the following statements are true about the fossil record? All organisms become fossils. The fossil record is incomplete. All organisms that have shells become fossils. Organisms that have soft body parts become fossils. Which is the oldest? Look at the picture. Layer L, layer E, inclusion D, inclusion H. Scientists chose where units of geological time began and ended based on major changes in life forms at certain times. True, false. What law states that the geological feature which cuts another is the younger of the two features? What fossil is the oldest? Fossil C, fossil B, fossil A. With absolute dating, you get a real age in actual years. True, false. The preserved remains or traces of an organism that lived in the past is a geologist, half-life, fossil, isotope.